Good morning, y'all. Today I'm kind of tired, but I am cooking for my son's baby shower for today. So what I'm doing meatballs and doing probably some hot wings and some regular fried chicken. So I'm doing I'm seasoning my chicken now. So how is everybody today? I know I'm tired, so what I'm doing, I'm seasoning it. I'm seasoning it with some that's complete. And then I'm gonna let it sit for a while and start doing my meatballs and stuff. And then I'm doing adobo. And a little bit of lemon pepper. And then I'm gonna put some sassoon in it. Yep, so I hope everybody had a good work week. And I hope everybody had, whoever went out last night, I hope you had enjoyed yourself. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Because I did a little bit. Me and my husband went out to eat last night. Yeah, so what I'm doing is, wait, see, I season my chicken. So, let me see if I can see that right. Hold on for a minute. Hold on for 1 minute. Okay, so what I'm about to do is get my hands in it and just stir it up. And then I'm gonna put some more sassoon in it. Yeah. I wish this baby shower was next week or something, because I really wanted to sleep in today and clean up my house. So all you do, you just stir it around, like, you know, just so the season can get, you know, deep in the pores and stuff. Because when I cook my chicken, I like to taste season. Don't y'all hate chicken with feathers? I hate chicken with feathers. Whoever thought about that? That's crazy. I washed my chicken already. I just try to, you know, cut some of the long videos so it won't be so long. So what I'm doing, I'm just massaging it all in it so it can get deep in it. Deep in it. Like, just so it can be like soaking into the meat. So when you get ready to fry it, you can taste the season. I hate bland chicken. If you're gonna cook chicken right. Don't play with it. Do it the right way. And then if you feel like you want to add some more, you could. Like, you thinking that it wasn't enough. So I just add a little bit of complete season. And I stir that in a little bit. And just work it up in there. Just work it up in there. Just work it up in there. Yep, just work it up in there. It's working, Dan. And if you want some seasoning salt, you can put seasoning salt in it. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I put other seasons in it. And yeah, I don't want to make it too salty. You don't want to make it too salty. You don't want it too salty. All right. And I let it stay in the refrigerator for about 5 or 10 minutes. So what I'm doing is wiping the edges off, the season where the season at. See? You season it and you put it in the refrigerator. You let it stand in there, you know, like for a couple of minutes. But right now I should have seasoned